What happened? Where am I? Oh no, here we go again! Sammy? Is that you? No! It's the hunter! Oh no, no! Ta-dum! That's weird. It's becoming a bit scary. Ah! Phew! I thought we had Jumanji in our house.
Jam, what did you say?
Oh, you don't know about Jumanji? It's a game for those who seek to find a way to leave their world behind.
Now I really want to learn more.
Come, I'll show you.
Sue, Jam, Mango, I'm coming.
Hi, guys. Today, Sam and I are going to make a craft inspired by one of my favorite movies. Let's begin.
Sue, I forgot the name again. Oh, hi, guys.
Jumanji. It's easy, Sammy. By the way, did you watch it?
I'm confused. Which one should I watch? There's 3 of them, and an animated series as well.
Start with the oldest one, produced in 1995. It's a classic. Our craft will be based on that very movie. We'll make a classic Jumanji board game in the box. Great.
Oh, I got it. I'll start with the trailer.
How can you understand anything from just the trailer? Watch the whole movie, and I'll paint these parts. For the decor, I'll use acrylic paint and lots of imagination. So let's start with painting the body. Nothing complicated here. Do it carefully with lots of love, just like me. There we go. We'll try to make the Jumanji board look like it's made out of wood. Guys, give a thumbs up for our craft and don't forget to subscribe. We need to paint all the cardboard parts the same way on both sides. The paint has set and I hope Sammy's watched the movie. Actually, I like watching it on VHS. You know, those old videotapes. Using an old videotape recorder. I always wonder how people used to live without YouTube. There are so many cool channels. And ours, of course. But using things from the past is cool too.
Susie, are you a mammoth? Videotape? The quality's so poor.
Oh yeah, I am a mammoth. But watching a movie on tape has a certain vibe. You know, as if you traveled to the past. Sammy, please pass me those parts. I can't reach them because of my ears and trunk.
Okay, you're not a mammoth. I just can't imagine the world without YouTube.
Thanks, Sammy. Actually, it's easy to imagine something like this. We'll make a board game and play it offline.
I don't know. Sounds boring.
Oh, I'm sure you'll like it. And meanwhile, you can read about the jungle.
What for?
Believe me, you'll need this information. And I have everything ready to assemble the body of our game. Now we'll add some pieces to our game so it can open and close.
Sue, we need to talk urgently.
Yes, Amy, what is it? What's up with the hat?
Doesn't it look good on me? I think it's very trendy. Don't distract me. I wanted to talk about Jumanji.
I'm glad that you remember the name of our game. Did you watch the movie?
It's dangerous. There will be huge mosquitoes, monkeys, and a lion. Don't you dare make it. Do you really want our house to be drowned in a tropical shower?
Stop this panic. It's just a movie. Our game will be totally safe. You're not afraid to play Monopoly, are ya?
Well, sometimes I am a little. You're very good at it.
Oh, well, it's just that I have a strategy and you just buy everything you see.
But isn't it the main idea of it? You have to become a monopolist.
But you don't play alone. There are 2 of us and we think differently.
I got it. You're just jealous because of my creative approach.
Of course, you're the most creative one. And now comes the most interesting part. Snap! Voila! Whoa, what's going on?
Don't be fooled. It isn't thunder. Staying put would be a blunder.
Oh! Stop it, Sammy. I'm trying to work.
See? Your game can be dangerous.
Ugh. No, my friend, your pranks can be dangerous for our craft. I'm gonna mold small parts now. And I need to be focused and attentive.
Okay, I'm sorry, Sue. How can I make it up?
You know how, Sammy. You can help me with this craft. Why don't you cut out the rest of the parts for our game?
Got it! Holy cannoli is my favorite cardboard! Woohoo!
Yes, it is. In the meantime, I'll add more dimension to our game and make it look more like the original. In the middle, we'll have a special decor piece. In the movie, it showed what was next for a Jumanji player. There we go. Now let's make the leaves to decorate our game board. First, I made the general shape, and now I'm making the veins. Don't rush it. Let's glue it to the board. It's easy peasy. By the way, I used paper clay for these decor pieces. It sticks really well to the cardboard. And it easily takes the desired shape. Plus, it's a good base for paint. Up, we move on. More leaves. Awesome! We're done with the molding. This is the path for moves. The game is for 4 players. Everyone has their own start and a path. It's high time to add some color to our board. Let's take the most mysterious colors.
It's because you can merge with the jungle using colors like this?
Oh yes, green and brown are the most jungly colors. Sam, did you finish with the cardboard?
Yes, a while ago.
Then it's time for magic.
Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I, please?
Okay, take it easy.
Decoratus magicus may the beauty come.
And in the center, we'll have a magical artifact. It gives out predictions and miracles.
Done. The parts are here. Can we start the game?
I guess someone's rushing again. By the way, in the movie, the game punished those who wanted to cheat.
Yes, I remember, but you told me I don't have to worry about it.
Still, cheating isn't nice. Well, I'll have to come up with a penalty for you. For example, dishwashing or vacuuming.
Susie, you're scarier than Jumanji. Why do you have such terrible punishments in your head?
Oh, don't be dramatic. Those are just household chores.
I think I can do all the chores now, so you won't be able to punish me. I'm so genius.
Oh yeah, you got into your own trap, Sly Slime. Meet our game figures. This is the busy monkey, a crocodile. Do you remember how it almost ate the movie characters? Elephants and rhinos also proved to be dangerous animals when the game released them. We only need to decorate the lid of our Jumanji game box, and we can play.
So, in the new movies, the players get into a video game. Oh, I want that too.
It's all in your hands, Sammy. You can learn how to code and make your own game. I'd love to play with you on our console. It will be a next-level craft.
I'll create it, and I'll make it very hard for you to win.
Oh, you think you can manage that?
Sure, since it'll be my idea. Moreover, there won't be any winner at all.
Whoa, then what's the point of playing against each other?
Huh, really?
In any game, the most important thing is the competition, but Jumanji is an exception. Here, the characters played against the game itself. Phew! I'm done with painting the box. I think it came out pretty. Let's glue the game rules. There are not many rules in Jumanji.
Oh, I like it. Not many rules.
But they are very important. For example, do not begin unless you intend to finish. Here's more. When your player figure reaches Jumanji, you need to call out its name. Otherwise, the game won't be finished.
Huh. It says nothing about cheating.
Sammy, you can't cheat in any games. And I have everything almost ready. Guys, check if you subscribe to our channel. Plus, don't forget to hit that bell button. Let's tell fortune with the help of dice. I predict if we get an even number, Sam will come here with an inspection. Whoa! I guess the inspector decorator is coming.
Decoration inspection, Slime. Sam is here. Present your craft for the inspection.
Here you can check it, Mr. Inspector.
Well. Everything's great here. Here as well, I guess it looks awesome. Guys, thumbs up if you agree.
So, Sammy, are you ready to play?
Oh yes, welcome to Jumanji.
Okay, here I go.
At night they fly, you better run. These winged things are not much fun. Don't be scared, Sue, I got it. Move on.
Let's see what I've got. Great music, Sammy. It really creates the atmosphere.
Sue, quicksand! Look out! Beware of the ground for which you stand. The floor is quicker than the sand.
Wow, holy cannoli, quicksand!
I decided to snack. What did I miss, Sue?
Sammy, but we didn't finish the game. What's going